Rich, your upcoming session is on automation.
Yes.
And I want to understand how is the evolution of networks to cloud going to drive automation?
Okay, well, thank you. So we've talked a lot in the sessions about the cloud native transformation of the different developments in the networks themselves. So what's happening as a part of that, the actual information of the configuration, the information around the deployments, the delivery and testing are all built in mind with automation and purpose, right? The idea when you're kind of evolving to these cloud native structures, we've done virtualization before, but this is the next level because it's taking information so that all the individual elements themselves are expendable.
Right.
So you pull the configuration out and you store that. You're automating the actual delivery through repository to repository discussions. And the elements in the labs can be spun up automatically without human intervention. They can then pull configurations that replicate the actual production levels into the lab and run test cases prior to even anyone knowing in the customer site that Ribbon provided that new patch or security update.
Right. So it's really automated.
It's just completely, everything is automated there.
Right.
Helps reducing the risks of security problems, security vulnerabilities, and
Right.
getting new features out quickly to the networks.
Yeah. In terms of that, can you elaborate on some use cases?
So, like I said, when you talk about the lab scenarios, you might have a new capability coming in that you want to get pushed out into the network quickly, right? So those automation cases then allow you to provide that stuff and be testing on a continuous basis,
Right.
right? So those systems are there alive and be evolving dynamically.
They're learning continuously.
They're learning continuously, updating their systems for that, right? So there's a lot of different examples around that can be played into around the automation. The evolution of the features themselves, expanding horizontally, scaling in,
Right.
scaling down, that stuff can all be automated and tested prior to going out into the network for production.